have a bit of a different machine for you today. Time UAZ. The car was made 1989, yeah. So you can see it's pretty loud and pretty old. 2.45 engine, 55 kilowatts or 90 horsepower, maximum speed of 110.
The UAZ-469 was a Soviet 4x4 light utility vehicle, and production began in 1973. Over 2 million of these vehicles were produced and sold, and to this day a modern version of the UAZ called the UAZ Hunter is being sold and produced in Russia. The UAZ-469 by design should be easy to maintain and repair, like any soldier should be able to do it, and it is one of the best off-roaders today. The car was mostly used by the Soviet military, but also civilian versions existed. But let's get back to the action now.
Okay, we break the car. The car is fucked. We just lost power while going 90 kilometers an hour. We have some light here. The car, is turned off. We will let it chill a bit and we will try to turn it on.
I think it's heated up.
That's possible.
Fuck! We are somewhere in the middle of...
Update. We think we're out of oil. I mean, we're pretty sure we're out of oil. There is a light on. We don't know what the light is. And the car turned off right now.
Again?
There is smoke coming from under the car, not from the exhaust. And we're halfway. So we will either go to the
We'll try to
tank
go.
station or back home.
Okay. See you there.
While we are waiting for rescue, let's talk about today's goal. We will be doing some city driving, off-road driving, and comparing this 34-year-old car with a modern one. Let's see if you can really live with it today when you have so many other options.
So, we fixed the car. It was
Out of fuel.
out of fuel. Now we're driving to the gas station. So now we have a open roof.
Cabrio action. And we managed to get to the gas station. Let's fill up now. Let's hope we will not die. Let's hope we will not get stranded again.
That should be easy.
Put some fuel in. I mean, the fueling is also like such a
95.
So yeah, wouldn't suggest driving on the highway. I was constantly scared that we will just somehow drive off the road because you can't feel any of the steering. It's really bad. There's no sensitivity, nothing. I think 16 liters is enough.
I think so.
It's a nice 30.
Yep.
Yeah, that should be enough. Yeah, so not for just driving. So I think we will do some off-roading now.
Yeah.
So we had a little fan club for a second, but now we have arrived in the city. Let's see what it's like maneuvering on the streets. Like on these low speeds, it's okay to drive.
But in the highway, it's very scary.
This is a chill car for a chill ride, not for the road. Like 40-50 kilometers an hour is perfect. There's no brakes. There's no brakes, really. It will be a miracle if we're alive at the end of this one. And for the people that don't like seat belts, since this car didn't come with any, you don't have to wear any.
We have 7 places to sit here. 2 in the front, 3 in the middle, and 2 in the back.
Now that we have fuel and a sense of the driving, let's put the UAZ against a newer car to compare their acceleration, maneuvering and simplicity. And what better way to do that than seeing how easy or difficult it can be to start the car in the morning.
So what would it be like every day to drive this car? You have to start your mornings with just crashing the doors to wake you up real good. Then you have to find out what all the levers are. Pray that it starts working. Nice. Oh, a bit chill. And we're working. We have to 0.5 is actually 0, so we have very little fuel left. And some lights. Let's see how our little wipers work. Some high technology here. Oh, actually automatic, I don't even need to press it. Oh, look at this. Okay, that's enough. Oh, how do I... Okay. No, that's enough. Stop. That's enough. Okay, it's not... Oh, if you press it, then it's putting the wiper fluid. This is just a switch. And we have it.
And if you're having trouble with that method, you have the old school one. Let's go. Wrong hole.
That's what she said.
And then you're just right. On. Take it out of gear. Okay. Let's go.
So, with this car, you just need to press the brake and start. That's all.
In terms of driving conditions, there's really only one. There's no way you can move the seat, there's no way you can move the steering wheel. So just kind of drive it. If you, however you reach it, you have some sun visors that kind of work, kind of don't. The roof is all manual work, no automatics here, and no windows. So during winter, good luck to you.
Now that we have established how uncomfortable the day-to-day driving would be, let's see how fast the car is in a drag race. Well, that didn't go so good. Maybe we can make up for it with maneuvering. For that, both of the cars had to drive through a tight turn and then make a U-turn. The Audi went first, and thanks to the steering being so light, it had no problem. In fact, it is so easy that we could do it with just a finger on the wheel. Then was the UAZ's turn. Right off the bat we can see that the steering is a much bigger issue, but it made the turn nicely. After a brutal gear change, we get to the U-turn and it needs a bit of a wider turn, but it did it. It's a bit more complicated with the UAZ, but it is doable. Besides, it has a few advantages to make up for its losses.
Maybe like just some other quirks and stuff about this car while we're here. We have these pockets, just for your ammunition and stuff in all of the doors. You might think that this is the horn. No, we have this little different one here. Why is this one here? Don't ask us, but the horn is here. So you have to concentrate before getting road rage. And a bit of headlights. They turn on like this. And to switch to high beams, actually, there's this little switch for your leg. Change it. Not much, but not really technological stuff, but something different from your regular Corolla or something. He can't go out again. You don't like the doors?
Oh, the doors are shit. This car is it's like a full-time job to drive it. It's so tiring. Okay, jump on. Let's do some off-road.
Easy for this car.
this was the car.
How you like it?
I mean, it achieved what we wanted it to do.
Yeah, the mountain was
Check,
very good.
back and up. This hill, this whole forest, it had no problem going through. I mean, it wasn't the most extreme off-road, but it's a little bit, and it had no problems really.
Yeah. But it's not the city car or the
Yeah.
highway car.
Yeah, if you need to drive on the highway,
It's the baddest thing what you
MPG
can
will
take.
kill you. Yeah, the MPG is too high. The wind is so cold, and in the city, the lack of power steering will really,
But anyway,
will really make you regret your life.
anyway, the girls like this car.
Yeah, if you need some girls,
You can take it.
This is your
They're
car.
gonna take the pictures, everything.
Yeah,
It's
they're running up to you. Gabriel, would you buy this car?
no. I like to drive in the highway or in the city, but it's pretty good. It's pretty good. It's
Yeah, it's certainly a memory, and just driving it, it's special, you know. Like,
yeah.
But yeah, you're thinking you want this car, even like you're seeing, oof, I want this car, but after you drive it for one day, you're pretty much done because it's a work to drive this thing. It's
Yeah.
really a work.
Very hard to.
So yeah, come check out glamping at Torma if you're ever in Estonia. It's like this hybrid of tenting and camping, or like
It's like glamping.
you're kind of
Yes.
sleeping at a
In the big.
glamorous tent, let's say.
Yeah. That is
So yeah,
correct.
if you're ever in Estonia, Torma Glamping, be sure to check it out because without them we wouldn't have had this car. It's a really cool car. You can have some
You can come to
fun drives
the.
with them. Yeah, come here and
You can drive it
we will
yourself.
take you on a nice. Not we. They will take you on a nice little fun drive. Maybe in the same forest. Who knows? And that's us.
That's all.
If you liked our content, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Check out our last video from here.
Bam.
And check out the channel from here, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Bye.